Hi guys, my name is Piper. For the first question, it says, what can be done to help support new parents? Um, Ask or look for suggestions from parents that you know or from your own experience. I am not a parent, but there's a lot of parents in my life, including my own, and then just friends and family members. I think the best way that we can help support new parents is by listening and giving empathy. I think most of the times they just want emotional support and validation that they're doing a good job. I think becoming a parent is a big life change, and so with that comes a lot of difficulty in trying to adjust your new life. And so I just think by validating and helping these new parents feel like they're seen and that they're doing a good job is one of the best ways that we can help them and support them. I think something that could be unhelpful, an approach to a comment for families with special circumstances surrounding birth and development issues, is I think there's a couple. Don't compare situations. I think often we try to validate people by relating, and I found that that's not beneficial and not a good way of listening. I think it's more beneficial to just tell them that you don't understand what they're going through, but you are there to listen and you want to learn. I think some other things that could be no-goes are unsolicited advice. Oftentimes we don't know what is needed, and so I think it's sometimes better to keep to yourself what you think might be best. Also, don't minimize their struggles. Don't make them feel like it's not a big deal. Again, people just want to be validated and heard. I think making sure that you're being respectful in your language and your actions towards their circumstances is also really important. And don't dismiss their emotion. Those are just some thoughts I had. I think some things that you can do to approach a family with special circumstances is to celebrate their achievements and to make known that their small things or big things that they're doing well are seen. I think you could say something along the lines of acknowledging the little achievements that their child has every day, or that they as a parent have, or that their family is making. Acknowledging progress goes a long way. I think something else is we can acknowledge their strength and also be willing to learn. Ask open-ended questions and allow them the space to be vulnerable and talk about what's going on. In my own life, I worked at a ice cream shop that employed people with special needs, and I found it important as I watched their parents interact with these kids is that they were patient and that they listened and that they gave their children the space to be who they were. And the parents expected that respect in the same way. And so I just think giving people respect, letting people talk, and not being judgmental is some of the best ways that we can create a safe community for all.